Welcome to Numbrix number 2. This is March 14th, 2020. This was the initial puzzle I had put, which if you notice up here in the parade.com, parade Numbrix, Numbrix 9, March 14-12. So this was the initial one. We're going to do this. Notice how this one says difficulty advanced. Now, whether or not you find it more difficult, that's up to you. I just hit the start button accidentally, but that's okay. Notice here, unlike the first puzzle, we don't have any on the outside. We have stuff on the inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to start picking around to see what we can find. Remember, there's no guessing in Numbrix. There's only doing one thing at a time and putting in what we know. For instance, if you notice that this has a 1 right here and a 3 right here. The only number that can between a 1 and a 3 has to be the 2. Now I don't know where 4 goes yet, so I'm not doing that one. Let's poke around some more. Notice how I have a 49 and 47. Therefore, if that's the case, the only number that must go in between is 48. Let's poke around a little more here. 47, 51, 57 and 59. The number must be 58. 79, 81. This has to be the 80. So far I've guessed 0 times. 73, 69, I'm not sure. So now we're starting someplace. Okay. 29, 27, this has to be the 28. So, with that, 17 and 19, this has to be 18. 19, 18, 17. Oh, here's 17 and 15. This has to be 16. Notice how we're starting to fill it in. Here's the 11, here's the 15. If I go 14 out here, I will never get to the 11, so I must put 14 here, which means this has to be 13 and 12 in order to reach the 11. So 13, 12, 11. This means this has to be a 10. That means this has to be a 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and so on. Notice how by simply getting to the 11 and 15, I led this entire run. On the other hand, we have 17, 18, 19, 20 can be either. If I go 20 here, though, that would mean I have to go 21 here. Notice how 23 is way on top. So if I chose 20, 21, there'd be no way to get there. Therefore, I have to be going 20, 21, 22. 23 and where does 24 go? Well, since this is 27 down here, if I go 24, 25, 26, I'll never get to the 27. Therefore, we have to go 24, 25, 26. 27, 28, 29. Now, I could go 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. That would make 36, 37. Notice how 38 is way over here. So that doesn't seem to make sense. So if I did do that, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, I'm blocked off. Therefore, it makes more sense to go 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Now, again, I know I'm kind of going through this pretty fast, but I'm afraid if I go too slow, I might bore some of the audience. So if you want, feel free to rewind this. Not rewind, just move the timer bar back and watch again as you need. Rewind. How old am I? Boomer. Alright, 36, 37, 38, 39. This must be a 40, which means this must be a 41. It has to be a 42, 43, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. This has to be a 50, 51. Now, once again, if I go 52, 53, 54, 57 is way down here, I'll never get to it. So you have to go 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, which means this has to be a 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Now, where's 64 and 65? Well, looks like I ran into a little bit of trouble. Oh, you know what? I made a mistake. Going so fast. Didn't notice it. Excuse me. I should edit it, but I'm not going to. If I make a mistake, I'm going to own that mistake. 57, 58, 59. This has to be the 60 right here, because otherwise it was already a 57, 56, so that couldn't be right. 60, 61, 62. I'm not sure where 63 goes yet. However, if I go 63, 64, I'm blocked off. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, I'm still blocked off. But if I go 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, that makes a little more sense. See, now I'm okay. I just need to slow down and look at what I'm doing. 69, 70 means this has to be a 71. Now if I go 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, notice how I block this off. It would make more sense to go 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, which again makes the numbers I need. And there you go. So once again, hope this helps. Numbrix is, a little bit of trial and error, never guessing. Notice when I guessed, look what happened to me. So don't be like me. Or wait, well, you get the idea. Anyway, enjoy your Numbrix. I will have a paper for you to do for the next one. Thanks much. Bye.